समझ जाएंगे सभी जब दुनिया से बातें करेंगे.
世界規模の伝達、音の媒体を通して伝えられた感動。
Hello YouTubers, this is Elaine. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. And at the moment it's Sunday evening at around 7:45 p.m. and I wanted to share some cool news. I have just reached 100 subscribers on my channel. Woohoo! I'm amazed. And Randy K7AGE and Munich Man 1968 and a friend of mine from the amateur radio community that's not a YouTube member. The four of us got on the air and babbled on 40 meter single sideband yesterday, and I did a video of that, and so did Randy. It's up on his site, and it's also a video that's on mine. That was a lot of fun. So basically just wanted to put out the info that I have some additional subscribers. Thank you all for joining. And I am still futzing with Adobe Premiere Elements. This will be another test to see if I can export this into Windows Media Video instead of exporting it into MPEG 2 or MPEG 1. I've been having some real problems with Windows Media for some unknown reason. But anyway, things are going well. I attended a special convocation at the Rosicrucian Order in San Jose. The Imperator, who is from France, Christian Bernard, was in attendance. There were a couple of different things going on. Anyway, there was a special talk given by Christian Bernard at 2 o'clock this afternoon, this Sunday. And it was, I guess I would call it sort of like a esoteric tradition version of a high mass. I mean, the Rosicrucian Order is not a religious affiliation. It's more of a philosophical group. But it was quite nice. It was, it's been a while since I've had a chance to attend. So that happened this weekend, and the amateur radio stuff yesterday happened this weekend. I've also resubscribed to a few people that I had dropped off my list for a while. I've been limiting my subscriptions to those who are subscribed to me specifically. But because Crossmac, otherwise known as Ian Crossland, I think it is, made a visit to the dispatcher to his tow company location where he works, and they did a multi-part discussion about a bunch of things. I went ahead and resubscribed to the dispatcher, and also resubscribed to Oh My God Heatherface. She's a lot of fun, and I know she's not subscribed to me, but maybe sometime in the future she might be. I enjoy watching her videos quite a bit. Also wanted to mention there's a few people I haven't heard from on YouTube. PT in UK has apparently must have been busy. Haven't seen her in a while. Moonchimes, I enjoy your almost daily uploads. They're quite interesting to watch. And I'm trying to think of a few others that either I've seen a lot of, Up Down mostly, of course. Hello Up Down, also known as Tim, I believe. Elmo Lincoln was going to join us yesterday on the amateur radio YouTube thing, and unfortunately, because of his location in Texas, apparently he couldn't hear us at all, even though we were on the right frequencies. And he did apparently tune us in correctly, but we weren't there because the path wasn't there. So Elmo, I missed hearing you check in. It would have been fun if you could have made it. But I do appreciate the video you did in reply to mine. It was kind of neat to see all the silver and gray 1950s kind of equipment that you have. So anyway, just a short hello, and I'll be doing some more videos shortly. Bye.